In today's rapidly evolving world, the concept of tiny houses has gained significant popularity, offering an alternative and more sustainable way of living. As more individuals embrace the freedom and simplicity that comes with owning a tiny house, it becomes increasingly important to acknowledge the need for comprehensive tiny house insurance. Why, in today's smart world, is prioritizing the protection of one's tiny house a prudent and responsible choice? What are the insurances all about? How can you get into it? Stay tuned till the end, as we are going to clear all your confusion on this matter. Let's start the video with the very basics. What is a tiny house? Why is this concept gaining so much popularity in today's world? The tiny house concept embodies a minimalist and efficient way of living, where individuals and families opt for smaller, well-designed spaces that meet their essential needs. These compact dwellings, typically ranging from 100 to 400 square feet, have been gaining remarkable popularity in today's world. The allure of tiny houses lies in their practicality, affordability, and sustainability. With skyrocketing housing costs and an increasing desire for simplicity, people are embracing the idea of downsizing and living more intentionally. But compact dwellings, known as tiny homes, inherently possess a heightened vulnerability to potential harm compared to their conventional counterparts. For instance, a tiny mobile home faces the risk of overturning or colliding with an uninsured motorist, while theft becomes a genuine concern, a threat that rarely troubles traditional houses or condos. Given these circumstances, safeguarding your tiny home through comprehensive insurance coverage is a prudent and imperative step. Let us delve into the intricacies of insuring your diminutive dwelling, exploring both the practicalities and rationales behind this crucial decision. Numerous diminutive residences possess mobility, allowing them to be insured under the categories of travel trailers or recreational vehicles (RVs). A conventional RV policy generally provides coverage for collisions and external damages beyond your control, such as inclement weather and theft, as well as the belongings housed within the abode. However, according to an industry specialist, relying on such an approach is inherently flawed. This expert, representing a company specializing in tailored insurance policies for tiny homes, points out that these dwellings often lack the aerodynamic qualities typically found in RVs. Now, after understanding the importance of having insurance, what are the next steps to follow? First and foremost, it is crucial to ascertain whether your diminutive abode is intended to remain stationary or be transportable. When seeking insurance coverage, it is essential to consider the requirements set forth by different insurance providers, as they may necessitate certification for your specific type of tiny home. The type of certification needed hinges upon whether your dwelling is intended for travel or will remain rooted in one place. Should your tiny home be designed to remain stationary, you will need to acquire certification from the esteemed National Organization of Alternative Housing. This certification serves as a testament to the compliance of your dwelling with the stringent safety and quality standards established by the organization. It ensures that your stationary haven aligns with the requisite criteria for a secure and habitable living environment. On the other hand, if your abode is fashioned for mobility, the certification process will be governed by the esteemed Recreational Vehicle Industry Association, or RVIA. Obtaining certification from this revered association affirms that your portable sanctuary fulfills the rigorous safety and performance guidelines mandated for recreational vehicles. The meticulous inspection conducted as part of this certification process ensures that your mobile dwelling adheres to the requisite standards, guaranteeing a secure and reliable home-on-wheels experience. In either scenario, the certification process shares similarities. An exhaustive inspection of your tiny home will be conducted to meticulously evaluate its compliance with the prescribed safety regulations. This comprehensive evaluation covers various aspects, including structural integrity, electrical systems, plumbing, and fire safety measures, among others. By subjecting your humble abode to these meticulous assessments, the certification process assures both you and your insurance provider that your tiny home satisfies the essential safety standards, thus mitigating potential risks and securing your investment. The dedicated team at the Strategic Insurance Agency has gone above and beyond by incorporating trip endorsement insurance as a standard feature in their comprehensive tiny home policy, even for stationary residences. It's important to note that without the appropriate insurance, such as an RV policy or trip endorsement coverage, most tiny homes remain unprotected while in transit. If your petite abode has earned certification from the esteemed National Organization of Alternative Housing, or NOAA, you have the opportunity to be eligible for a comprehensive mobile or manufactured home policy. These policies provide extensive coverage for your dwelling, personal belongings, and any liability claims that may arise. Should you decide to relocate your house, it is imperative to notify your insurance provider and secure a transit endorsement before embarking on your journey. By adhering to these prudent measures, you can ensure the smooth and protected transport of your cherished abode. Further, you have the option of exploring tailored policies from smaller, specialized companies like the Strategic Insurance Agency, or you can consider the offerings of well-established industry leaders such as Foremost Insurance Group or American Family Insurance. It's wise to invest some effort in rate shopping, comparing quotes, and finding the provider that offers the most competitive coverage for your needs. However, remember that the lowest bidder may not always provide the optimal level of protection, so it's crucial to make an informed decision rather than solely focusing on cost. It is advisable to carefully select a policy that adequately safeguards the replacement cost of your tiny home, its contents, and any additional structures on your property. Opting for liability coverage ensures financial protection in the event of theft, damage to your tiny home or its belongings, or if someone sustains an injury while on your premises. Furthermore, if you intend to relocate your tiny home, it is essential to acquire trip endorsement policies. As per various sources, the average annual cost of insuring a tiny home amounts to approximately $650. However, it is important to note that this figure can vary based on factors such as the value of your tiny home, the need for coverage during transportation, your specific location, and other relevant considerations. Now, let us provide you with a few insurance business samples so you can have a better sense of how the companies provide insurance and their requirements. Foremost presents a range of policies tailored to meet the needs of both mobile and fixed tiny houses. If your tiny home has received certification from RVIA or NOAA, you can take advantage of the exclusive Foremost Travel Trailer Program. This program provides an extensive array of benefits, including comprehensive coverage, total loss replacement coverage, campsite or vacation liability coverage, and much more. With the added advantage of coverage for transit and roadside assistance, the Foremost Travel Trailer Program becomes an invaluable asset, especially if you frequently relocate your tiny home. Although American Modern Insurance Group does not offer specific coverage options for tiny homes on wheels, you can still insure your tiny stationary home through their manufactured home policy. This comprehensive policy provides a range of protections, including coverage for liability, personal property, water damage, and emergency repairs. Another one is Strategic Insurance Agency, that presents a comprehensive range of policies tailored specifically for both mobile and stationary tiny homes. What sets them apart from other insurance providers is their unique approach of covering tiny homes under a Dwelling Fire Form 2 (DP2) policy without imposing any certification requirements. Having said that, undoubtedly, your decision to own a tiny home is driven by a multitude of personal factors that are close to your heart. However, it is imperative to safeguard this cherished possession. By obtaining adequate insurance coverage for your tiny home, you can attain a profound sense of peace and fully immerse yourself in the enchanting odyssey that lies ahead. Whether your path leads you on physical travels or simply embarks you on the thrilling expedition of owning a tiny home, rest assured that you are well prepared and ready to relish every moment. And that's all for now. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and inspiration for your home project. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more exciting content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Feel free to leave any questions or comments in the comments section below. We love hearing from you. Thank you again for watching, and we wish you the best of luck with your tiny home project. Happy building!